Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be doing some more work on this quantic pattern plane here. And so we're going to be working on the stab back here, doing the internals of it. Now, the internals of this, the wing is done the exact same way, but we'll go back and go ahead and start back here on it. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, excuse the background noise. My printer is running, and they're somewhat sort of loud, but hopefully they're not too bad, and you can just bear with them for this. But we'll go ahead and get started now. Okay. So I'm going to turn this top off here, the fuselage 1. So we have this here, and I'm going to turn this one off too. Now I'm going to split this. So I come up here to split body. Select this, and my splitting tool is going to be this. And click OK. OK. Now I'm going to turn off a couple more things, but I want to do a couple more things too. So first of all, turn the canvases back on and create a sketch on this plane here. And turn this back around. Use the line tool. And we're doing the elevator here. Finish sketch, turn the sketches back on, and turn the canvases off. Okay. Now I want to split this body here. So come up to split body, select this, and the tool is going to be this, what we just sketched. And there. And turn off that. We have that. We turn the sketches off here too. Okay, and we have this. So, left stab, and this is the elevator. And I want to turn this off. And delete this. Well, not delete it. We can just remove it for now. And we can remove this piece too. Change this here to elevator, left elevator. All right. Now we can turn all the other stuff off. We don't need it. Now we just have our stab here. Now, what I want to do is put a tube in here. And so, to do that, what I'm going to do here, create a sketch on this plane here. And I want it to be a 5mm tube. So click circle. And place it here for now. And move this out to So I want the tube to fit down in there, so I'm going to go ahead and make this 5.125. 5.12 is good, or excuse me, 1.5. Click OK. Okay, now I want to see where that is. It's here. I want to move it back just a little. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish sketch. Turn sketches back on. And I'm going to extrude. And click OK. Actually, I'm going to move this a little farther out. So what I'm going to do is move the tube back. And click OK. Turn that sketch back on. And move this back. And we have our hole in there now. Okay. Now I can collapse all of these and turn the elevator. Well, I can leave the elevator on for now. So now what I'm going to do is hollow this out. And come up here to shell. Select the whole thing. And I'm going to make this 0.6. And click OK. Turn the sketches off. And what I want to do is take a look at the inside of here, so we'll do a section analysis. And so it's got to be on the origin. Go ahead and use this. And we can see down the side of there. And we can see we have our tube in here. Okay. Now we have this. Next, we're going to make the formers down here. Now, the shape of this wing, you could put diamonds in here. Fill this up with diamonds and things. But what I'm going to do, I've been doing some experimenting with the shapes here in printing and find the toughest strength, of formers in here with the very few. And what I've come up with is, I'm going to show you here. So create a sketch on this plane here. And I'm going to use a arc, 3-point arc. And I'm going to place a point here. Point here. And create an arc there. What we can do is offset this here. Then do another offset. Oh, it won't let me use that, so we'll select this first one again. And move that one about there. And click OK. Go ahead and finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. Now, we're going to use an extrude. And select thin extrude. And select 2 sides here. Then we're going to select each one of these lines here. Pull this up. And pull this one down. Change this to new body. We have that. And now, thickness of each one of these wall thickness, I'm going to make this 0.6 also. And change this also. Now, if I chose symmetric, I wouldn't have to do this, but I chose 2 walls. Okay, now we can turn the sketches off. And we have this here. So if we turn this off, we are left with that. Now, we're going to split body. And this is the body to split. Excuse me, this is the body to split. But, there you go. This is the body to split. And this is the splitting tool. And click OK. So if we turn this off here, we can see that's cut on there on the inside. And do the same thing again, split body. This is the body to split. This is our splitting tool. Click OK. And the last one here, split body. Okay, now what we can do, come up here, turn this off, turn this off, and turn this off. And we are left with this. Now if we turn the stab off, we should see the pieces there, which they are there. And this here. And just removing these. Now we turn the left stab back on. We have this. Okay, do the section analysis on it. Turn this back on. Now we can see our formers and our tube. Let's turn analysis off. Now we come up here to combine. This is the target body. This is the tool body. This body here. And this one. And click OK. Turn this elevator off. We don't need it right now. And this is the left stab with our formers inside of it. Again, we can have a look at it. And as you can see, we have our formers in there and our wing tube. Turn that elevator back on. Turn the sketches back on. Oh, we don't need sketches right now. So this here is now our stab. And what we can do, we have our right stab. What we can do now is just go ahead and remove this. Turn the origin on, which is on already. And we're going to mirror this. So we come up to create, mirror this, and the mirror plane is going to be this plane here. And we click OK. And I didn't do this, mirror this one just yet. Okay. Now, like I said, the wing is done the exact same way as the stab what I did back here. So again, you're going to split this because as of right now, let's take a look here. We turn this fuselage portion off and the hatch. As you can see, the wing is in here, which it does not need to be in here. So you have to split it. And like I said, to split that, you're going to join these two back together here and then split this. But yeah. And then do the arcs in here and the aileron. Let's see how far the aileron goes up. Okay, well, it's out here. So what you can do for the aileron, just create a sketch on this plane here. Use your line tool. Finish sketch. Turn the canvases off. Turn the sketches back on. And we're going to split this body here. This is the splitting tool. And click OK. Now we have our aileron in here. And now I think some of you guys are probably seeing why I'd never join the two parts, the two wings, because probably nine times or 10 times out of 10, I'm going to mirror this side, so there's no sense in joining these. Because if this were all joined, then, well, it wouldn't be any harder to do. It's just more work by by having this all joined. Because when I drew this here on here, then I would have to mirror this line here and get the line over here, then cut this out over here too, etc. But now I can just use a mirror. It's up to you how you guys want to do that. But like I said, a lot of times I don't do that because I'll just mirror the part after I'm done with it, like back here too, so I don't have to do this twice and things. So yeah. But anyway, that's some more work on this Quantic pattern plane. And next video on this, when I come back to it, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the fuselage here, hollowing it out and everything, and do the wing here. And then that'll be it as far as getting this all cut up and split up and ready for 3D printing. And then I've got to put show you guys how to do the landing gear on here also. So the next video will be wrapping this plane up. And then for those who want the file for this, just join my Patreon site and let me know. And you can get the files over there. And so, yeah, and then you can start printing this thing out. Well, I've got to put the little slots for the servos, which are not that difficult to do either. So maybe wrapping this up in one more video, but 2 videos at the most, and wrapping this plane up. But, yeah, but as you can see, this plane was not difficult to model if you've been following me along with it. And cutting it up and everything, and yeah, so it's in my opinion, it's a good looking plane. I like pattern planes. I mean, it looks like one of those goldfish things, but it's all right. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You like my videos, go ahead and hit that like button as well. If you have any questions or anything, go ahead and leave them down in the comments or contact me on my Facebook group or my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And like I've said in my other videos, I'm trying to make this a full-time job. And if you can, support the channel by hitting that subscribe button or going over to Patreon, becoming a paid member over there, or just sending a super thanks or anything like that. But if you could, just hit that subscribe button. That helps a lot. So that's going to do it for this video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.